Uh, nice little place here. Found me a little friend, a kitty cat friend. Hey. Oh wow, this is the cat fiasco going here. Oh wow, this is a lot of cats. Hey, hey. Wow, you got something wrong with your eye. Oh wow, this is nice. Look at this. Hey y'all. This is no, I know, no. Wow, these are very strange looking cats. Wow, that cat right there, huh? We call you Lucas. Uh, you know my luck, I'm pretty sure y'all all related. Alrighty. Oh wow, it is a lot of cats going on here. This is the definition of cat house. Oh wow, they're everywhere. Oh, wow. How many cats are here? Wow. It is a lot of cats. Oh hey, I don't have no cat food for you. They're very nice cats. And y'all got something to scratch about, huh? Wow. Oh wow, he got a I'm pretty sure you're the leader of the cats. I'll leave you alone. That cat look kinda probably be the boss cat. Okay. I just was stopping by these Louisiana cats. These some Cajun cats. I can't mess with them. Cajun cats. How many cats have we counted? We got one. Got one. One. Two. Two. Oh, three. Four. It's just too many to count. Wow. This house is catting it up, huh? It's the kitty cat house, huh? Ever been a cat house? This is one right here. These cats got a whole house. Oh, and another cat. These cats are living large. Wow. Enough for me in a cat house.